I should plug the vacuum back in. I'm not going to, but I should. And now a word from our sponsor. Who the hell will sponsor this channel? Kill me.
Let's go and make something.
Let's see how badly I stuffed it up. Dry fit. So I've got a dry fit here. Been able to pull it all tight. Just a wee bit of sanding to do. It's not that bad. I've had worse. I haven't got enough clamps actually of the right size. Part down here will pull tight quite easily, so that's alright. Oh well, better find some glue then. Like I said, I should connect the vacuum up, but like I said, I'm not going to. So I forgot to push record. This is just for the base of the display box, and I've just trimmed them down to 170, and I'll put two together. That makes the width. However, it kind of went like this. I set the table saw to the width I wanted, and then I kind of pushed it through, and it went. And then I grabbed my push stick and I went. That's kind of how it went. So here I'm just marking out where to put the biscuits to join the two base parts together. I guess we better do a bit of a dry fit to make sure I didn't stuff it up. Now, I normally use ample amounts of glue here to get good coverage and to get the glue into the biscuit holes, to allow the biscuits to swell on the joins, giving more glue surface. But it means we have more squeeze out to clean up later on. Woohoo! Sanding! Fun times. You should try it sometime. You know, I should actually put this quite loud. Here I'm making a rebate to allow the acrylic to sit in. And you'll see me just stop just before I get to the end of it. That allows the frame to line up. You can see the rebate here. Now I'm just marking out where the dowel will go. The other side, and just line it up with it. Remark there. Yeah. Right, before I push that home, I'm going to start with the other end. Yes, I did adjust the clamps later on to make it square and flat. So I have a flush trim bit in the router to trim the base nice and flush, and then I'll do some more sanding. Yay, sanding. Sanding! Yay! Sanding. So I'm just tidying up the corners here, squaring them off, just so the acrylic will fit in nicely and look nice and tidy. Did I mention I like sanding? So I've got some old hinges here. I've got 3 of them and I've done a practice one. That's what I kind of want it to look like. And it's soaking in some paint stripper. Then I'm going to burnish them on the drill press, a wire brush. So I've actually found some hand railing. I've got a whole length of it up there on the table saw. Zoom, zoom, zoom. At the moment, and I thought if I just put one leg that way, one there, one down the other end, and make sure I've got enough room. Doing it there, one there, means I can screw it from the inside and you're not going to see how that's attached. I think that's a good idea. I'm going to do that. Modern steampunk, awesome. Okay. I have pre-marked where I want the legs to go and using a square to line up and get the legs straight with the base or at 90 degrees to the base. Once the corresponding marks are made, I can drill the matching dowel holes. So I have a dry fit here and it all seems to be pretty good. I'm just hoping that my measurements are right and all the legs are level. So what I'm going to do now is glue it up and then we'll clamp it up and then we'll take some things off to do the sanding, the final sand. So I'm going to leave the video here, and part 2 we'll stain it, cut the acrylic out, and then we'll put some steampunk stuff on it. Thanks for watching, kia kaha, stay strong, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way, you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time.
Don't forget to go and make something.